Welcome back. You're watching Newscentre. Months after Maiden Pharma, another Indian pharmaceutical company finds itself in the dock. Uzbekistan Health Ministry has claimed that 18 out of 21 children who were given a cough syrup manufactured by Indian company Marion Biotech have died. The Uzbek government alleges that Doc 1 Max, the cough syrup, was allegedly contaminated with the toxic substance ethylene glycol. The Uzbekistan government has also claimed that the syrup was given to children without a doctor's prescription, with doses that exceeded the standard for all children. The legal head of Marion Biotech has said that they would extend full support to the government inquiry.
देखो हमें भी अफसोस है कहते हैं अब किस वजह से डेथ हुआ अभी जो है गवर्नमेंट यहाँ इंक्वायरी कर रही है अंडर इन्वेस्टिगेशन है जो रिपोर्ट आएगी उसके बाद जो है रिपोर्ट आने के बाद जो है सही चीज़ें मालूम होंगी हमारी तरफ से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है हमने गवर्नमेंट इंक्वायरी कर रही है अंडर है ना कहते हैं गवर्नमेंट की रिपोर्ट आएगी उस हिसाब से रिएक्ट करेंगे
सैंपल को कलेक्ट किया है
हाँ गवर्नमेंट कर रही है लगी प्रोसेस में लगी हुई है हाँ जी
Uzbek authorities have not formally taken up the matter with us. Nevertheless, our embassy has contacted the Uzbek side and is seeking further details of their own investigation. And of course, we understand that legal action has been initiated by the Uzbek authorities against some people, including the local representative of the company there. And in that context, of course, we are extending necessary consular assistance to those individuals or individuals.
All right, let's now go across to Abhimanyu Sharma, who joins us from outside the office of Marion Biotech in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Abhimanyu, you have been there outside the office of the company since morning. Any word from authorities there? What's happening there currently?
Well, there's no formal word from the authorities so far. The second round of inspection was underway. The last we had learned, the inspection is going to go on till some time. In all likelihood, it's going to end by tonight. This is the second round of inspection which is taking place, and it's a minute inspection of the documents and the evidence which is available at hand. This is the second round of inspection after the first round which had taken place on the 27th of December. Only after the report comes in and the probe ends, some action may be taken on the possibility of clamping down on the exports by this company to various countries. The company already exports pharmaceuticals to several countries, not just Uzbekistan, and it remains to be seen what action will be taken. As of now, CDSCO is in touch with the Uzbek authorities. Also, WHO is in contact with Uzbek authorities. CDSCO and the UP drug control officers had conducted a joint inspection of Marion Biotech's Noida-based manufacturing facility, after which samples were collected and were sent to the regional drug testing laboratory in Chandigarh. It remains to be seen what results will come out of the same, as the Uzbek authorities till now had alleged the presence of ethylene glycol and the suspected poisoning of various children which led to their death. It remains to be seen what is going to be the dosage which comes out as part of the report, which is going to decide future course of action by the authorities.
All right. Thank you very much for that comprehensive update, Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu reporting from the office of Marion Biotech here in Noida. And the UP government's Drug Regulatory Authority and the Central Drug Regulatory Authority have been visiting the office, the factories of Marion Biotech, and very soon they will take a call on what action needs to be taken. Let's focus now on the company in question. Sources say that the Noida-headquartered Marion Biotech has been manufacturing cough syrups since 2012. Sources also tell us that central and state drug regulatory authorities have conducted a joint inspection of Marion Biotech on the 27th of December. When we last checked the company website, it claimed to have been certified by the World Health Organization. As per the company's LinkedIn page, it's a flagship company of the Eminox Group. A preliminary check by CNBC-TV18 of the government website that records adverse incidents involving pharma companies has not found any mention of Marion Biotech. But we are awaiting clarity from the government if there have been any past lapses recorded. This is the second time that an Indian pharma company has found itself under the lens for deaths of children overseas in recent months. The World Health Organization had found unacceptable levels of diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol. The Indian drug regulator, however, claimed that samples of Maiden Pharma's cough syrups did not contain traces of the toxic substances and were found to be of standard quality. WHO has, however, stood by their probe findings. So that's a story we will be tracking very closely. But